John again. Well, I've done 4 more crosses here, and I kind of like this. I call it the Gumby, the Gumby style. If you notice, it's got kind of a little bit of a Gumby look to the post. It's kind of angled. I'm curious to see how those stand up. I think they should stand up okay. But I'm going with this little more of a Gumby look. That one might be dry enough, but got 4 more, and I've got 4 more slats here. When I'm splitting my firewood to make smaller stuff for kindling to start the fire in the morning, I'm saving the ones that are cross material. That's kind of my my production here, but definitely thinking the crosses are a better choice than the kayaks for my Bible bag in the river, because they take a little less take a lot less time, plus they're little less, or well, not a lot less about me. Yeah, a lot less about me. We always like to put me first, don't we? Yeah, at least I always do. It's a constant battle. All righty, you have a good one. God bless.